Do you know that the largest planet in the solar system can fit 1321 Earths inside of it? Today, we are going to run some planetary simulation to give you an idea of just how big some planets really are. It's going to mind blowing. Let's start with the smallest planet, Mercury. It is too small to fit even one Earth inside, but it can hold a moon or two. Mercury can fit almost two of our moons inside it. And one moon is not even the smallest moon in the solar system. We have got Europa, Triton, Titania, and Pleiades. There's a lot of options, and even though Pluto is not a moon, well, it is a planet. Either so, I will add it to the list. When Mercury can fit almost 3 Eurobars like Pluto, 28 Titanes, that's the moon of Uranus. If you were wondering, this is Enceladus. This tin moon of Saturn is only 500 km in diameter, and you will need 96 of them to fill up Mercury. But enough about Mercury. Let's move up to Mars. Mars is not as large as Earth, it's more like half on an Earth. It could hold two Mercuries inside it. Could also fit 7 moons. Or a whole lot of Pluto. Next up, Venus. It is still not big enough to fit Earth, but it grows so. Venus is almost as big as Earth. It can hold 50 Mercuries, not bad. Venus can even hold the largest moon in the solar system. Gemini is the moon of Jupiter, and it's even bigger than Mercury. By the way, Earth itself can fit 49 moons inside of it. Finally, a planet that can fit Earth. Well, actually fit 57 Earths. Neptune. Neptune is the smallest ice giant on the block, but it's still huge. It could fit 67 Venus. Uranus is only slightly larger than Neptune. It can fit one Neptune inside of it. Uranus can hold 63 Earths and even more Venus, or almost 10,000 Plutos. Now if you think Uranus is huge, well, Saturn is enormous gigantic. Uranus would fit inside it. Slightly more Neptunes. As for Earth, well, you could cram 763 of us inside of Saturn. 890 Venus, 13,000 Mercuries, or over 1 lakh Plutons. Incredible. But wait, till you see the largest, most gigantic planet in the solar system, Jupiter. Jupiter is so large, it could sail on a whole Saturn, or 20 Uranus, or 22 Neptunes. When it comes to the smaller rocky planet, those numbers go way up. Are you ready for it? One lakh 32,051 Earths can fit inside a Jupiter. That's a lot of Earths, and even more, Venus, many more. Mars, Mercury, you did need over 20,000 of them as for V Pluto. Well, you could stuff 23,000 Plutons inside Jupiter, so some planets are way too small to crave Earths inside of that. And some planets are so gigantic that you have to copy Earth 1300 times to fill them up. And the Sun, when the Sun is the obsolete king, the heavyweight champion of our planetary neighborhoods. It's enormous, it can hold 988 Jupiters inside of it. And 30,56,193 Earths. Let that number sink in for a minute. Okay, that's long enough. What do you think? We should compare next. How about comparing how each planet would kill you if you landed on it? Well, that's a story.